up, guys? How's everyone doing? It's been a really long time, but welcome back to another video. As you can see, right behind me is my brand new 2022 Dodge Challenger RT Scat Pack wide body. Now, before we get into all the details of this vehicle, let's go ahead and have a little rewind back to day one whenever I took delivery of the vehicle. What is up, guys? Long time no see. It has been a while since I've made a video, and I'll be honest, it feels good to be doing this again. Today is the day I've been waiting for so freaking long. My new vehicle has arrived at the dealership. The salesman hit me up this morning, said that it just got delivered, so they've already prepped it. I did ask them not to drill the front license plate in, so hopefully they obliged. But I'm leaving work right now. I'm gonna head home. I'm gonna pick up Leticia and the kids. We're gonna book it to the dealership, and we're gonna pick up my brand new vehicle. You guys already know what it is, so I guess I can go ahead and tell you. I got a brand new 2022 Dodge Challenger Scat Pack wide body. Beautiful car, and I will say this. I know I hyped up my new vehicle quite a bit. To some of you, maybe a Scat Pack wide body might not have been worth the hype. I will say that this is not the original vehicle that I ordered. I did order this vehicle. I custom ordered it. I spec'd it exactly how I wanted to. Money was no issue. I fully loaded this thing, and it's freaking beautiful. So again, this is not the original vehicle that I ordered. We'll get into that topic another day, but I am now gonna head home, pick up Leticia and the kids, and we're off to the dealership.
You excited?
Oh, I'm really excited. Yeah, this is something that's been like over 8 months in the process. 8 months and a lot of waiting, a lot of patience. It's finally paying off. It's all come down to this moment. And I'll tell you this morning, whenever the salesman told me that the car was there, it was like, what, like 9:30? Day went by so slow, all I wanted to do was just leave. Go get the freaking car. So, I think excited would be an understatement. All right, so we just took delivery of the vehicle. This is my man, Sergio. You want to say anything?
What's going on, fellas? I'm Sergio Vega, here located in Victoria, Texas, at Victoria Dodge. You want a sweet vehicle just like this? Give me a holler, give me a holler.
Yes, sir. I appreciate everything, man. Thank you.